Good morning, respective teachers and my dear friends. I am Rosan Masood from 7th standard in Mr. Metric Higher Secondary School. You can see my project? Yes, this is a belt conveyor system. A belt conveyor system is a machine used to transport goods from one place to another. It is used in airports, warehouses, factories, and mining areas. You can see in my project there is a small DC motor, a switch, a battery, two rollers, and a belt. When we switch on the power, the motor rotates. The motor turns the roller. The roller moves the belt. When the belt moves, the belt carry things from one place to another. Advantages of belt conveyor system: reduce manual work and it can load heavy objects. It is usually in airports to carry luggages, factories to transport materials, mining areas to move coal and minerals. You can understand how belt conveyor system works and how industries move heavier things easily. Thank you.